People remember ideas, figures, and conclusions. We remember the phrase that mattered or the decision someone made. We rarely remember the exact file name, file format, or folder where that information lives. Cortex turns the files already on your Mac into one connected, searchable workspace. Your documents stay in an ordinary folder and the originals remain under your control. Your files, your machine, one connected memory. Here I search for controlled September preview. I don't need to know whether the phrase came from a document, a PDF, a presentation, a spreadsheet, Markdown, or a text file. Cortex searches extracted content across those formats, then returns matching excerpts with the source attached. I can compare the evidence without guessing which file to open first. Cortex keeps each result tied to its source, so I can move from search to the underlying evidence without losing context. Every result remains linked to the original item. I can preview a PDF, move through a presentation, inspect a spreadsheet, or read a document or note inside Cortex. Then, with Show in Library, I can locate that same item in the Vault's original folder hierarchy. The same local catalog connects previews, library navigation, and activity, while the original files remain in the Vault. Cortex keeps the workspace current as the Vault changes. Files can be added individually in batches or as complete nested folders. Supported content is indexed locally. Unsupported items are reported clearly, and detailed import outcomes remain available in activity, so nothing is silently hidden. Under the interface, a Rust native layer coordinates the user-selected Vault with a local SQLite catalog and FTS5 full-text index. Cortex works around an ordinary folder instead of moving every document into a proprietary cloud library. I built Cortex as a solo founder during OpenAI Build week with Codex and GPT-5.6 as engineering collaborators. GPT-5.6 helped define requirements, scope, architecture, and trade-offs. Codex analyzed the repository, implemented and tested features, investigated native Mac failures, and hardened the release pipeline. I reviewed the work, made the final decisions, and tested each public release on real Macs. Cortex begins with one simple promise: search the information you remember while keeping the files you own. Your files, your machine, one connected memory.